Today, I'd like to show you the 3 prompts I use to start every project I work on. AI does not have to be hard, and I'm going to show you how to use it to your advantage. These 3 prompts can be used to make a meal plan, to create a workout routine, to generate tabs for the guitar, to create a marketing plan for work, or almost anything else that you can think of. So let's dive in. This is my 3-prompt AI framework. The first prompt is really used to define and explore your topic. The idea here is to create a clear, specific query to get useful results. So with every prompt and every starting prompt that you create, you want to tell ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, whatever framework you're using, whatever system you're using, you want to tell it how to act. AI has access to a lot of information, and if you're just asking it generic questions, it's trying to find the answers in all the information it has. By telling it how to act, you're limiting the knowledge base that it has to a very specific genre, and that is going to help result in better, more specific answers from AI. So the framework here is act as an expert in blank area, topic, act as a financial advisor, act as a composer, doesn't matter. Give it a topic, give it some job or title that you want it to act like. I need an introduction to some subject, problem, topic, whatever it might be that you're looking for, including an overview of its key points, why it's important, and how it might be used. So you're basically telling ChatGPT to go out and act as something or somebody and give you a basic understanding of a subject. Now, the very last part of every prompt, you'll see this come back, is you want to tell ChatGPT to ask you questions that it has. It's as we learn prompting framework, as we learn prompt engineering, we are going to miss things, but telling AI to ask us questions allows us to respond and give it the specific information it's looking for. So here's an example, act as an expert in personal finance. I need an introduction to budgeting, including its key points, why it's important, and how it can be used. Ask me any questions you might have. Now you might be thinking, well, I know why it's important and I know how it can be used. This prompt isn't so much for us, it's actually more for ChatGPT to give it that background, and we're going to build on this. Prompt number 2, we're going to generate a plan and process. So we're going to transition from learning, giving AI that subject matter, and we're going to move into more creating a step-by-step guide for applying that knowledge. Using the information about specific subject that we wanted to talk about, create a 3 to 5 step action plan. So you're telling ChatGPT that you want very specific steps and process that someone could follow to achieve blank goal. So now we're telling ChatGPT, hey, take all the information that you just learned, and here's the goal I want. So we're going to take this and put it into that specific goal. Provide examples or tips for each step to make them actionable. And again, here's that last part. Ask me questions if you need any clarification. So the example, using the information about budgeting, create a 5-step action plan that someone could use to save $500 a month. Very specific. You see, we want 5 steps. We want to save $500 a month. Provide examples and tips for each step. And then ask me any questions if you need clarification. So you can see how we're building. First, let's learn, get the knowledge base right. Now let's start to create some actionable steps, step-by-step guides, applying that knowledge. The last one, we're going to get even more specific. Here's prompt 3. Tailor and optimize for your personal use. Customize the plan to fit your specific needs or your specific scenario. Based on the action planner process that ChatGPT gave you, adapt it for someone who, and then give it your challenge, constraint, or preference. This might be a budget or an income that you have. This might be that you have specific working hours during the day. It might be that you're a late riser if you're going for a workout plan. It might be a specific target market that you're looking for. It doesn't matter. Give it that constraint or preference. Next part, ensure the plan is achievable and provide any tools, resources, or tips to make it easier. Ask me any questions if anything is unclear. So that example, based on the budgeting plan you provided, adapt it for someone who has irregular income from freelancing. That's that problem. I'm a freelancer. My income might fluctuate pretty significantly. I even give it a gross income potential. I fluctuate month to month from about here to about here. So again, we're getting more specific for ChatGPT. Ensure the plan is achievable, provide any tools, resources, and tips to make it easier. Ask me any questions if anything is unclear. So you can see the framework playing out each time we do this, but here are the 3 prompts that you can use to really start to dive into any problem or anything you're looking to do in life. Try it out. Try these 3 prompts out. Let me know how it goes, or even share the results with me, and I'd love to hear how it goes.